Hey guys, my name is Stephen Castle with Brandt Industries, and beside me is the UPR1124 ramp deck trailer. So this is our 11-ton trailer rated for 22,000 pounds. I'm going to go through a few of the things that make this a really cool trailer. First thing to talk about, we have a standard 10,000 pound jack up front. And as a standard feature on all of our Tridem configuration trailers, you'll get a spare tire and a spare carrier. Standard. We have a 24-foot length deck with an extra 5 feet from the full width ramps for a total of about 29 feet. Most trailer manufacturers will put a standard treated pine decking on their trailers, but because we want a more durable product to handle the construction equipment that most of our customers are going to be using, we opted for the premium fir deck that you see here. Other notable thing is that all of our stake pockets are rated for 15,000 pounds, so whatever you're tying down, you'll have more than enough strength and durability to handle it. Under the decking, you can't see here, our cross members are tubing instead of C-channel, as you find in most manufacturers, and they're every 18 inches, I believe. Right here we have a Tridem, our Tridem 7,000 pound axles, give you that total rating of 22. And the payload on this particular trailer is 15,700. Going to the back, we have our full width flip over ramps. What makes these ramps really cool is the fact they have the grading on top, so any snow and mud that'll build up will drain through the holes and out the back, so that when you flip over the ramps, these are spring assisted to help with that as well. They'll ensure a level sitting distance. And again, the springs make it way easier to settle down. If you have more questions or concerns regarding this trailer or any of our Brandt trailers, go check out brandt.ca or go check out your nearest Brandt tractor dealership. Thank you.